Hi friends, today I am unboxing the CureSkin Underarms Brightening Mask. This is the jar version and I am excited to see how it looks inside. Let's open it. Here is the packaging. It looks clean, simple and very minimal. The front shows that is a brightening mask for underarms. Let's take the jar out. Now open. Wow! Here is the mask jar. The jar looks really cute and premium. It has a clean white design with soft branding. I like the jar because it feels premium quality. It is easy to carry. Now let's open the jar. Inside there is a protective inner lid to keep the product safe. Let me remove that carefully. Here is the mask. The structure looks smooth and creamy. It feels soft when I touch it. Not too thick, not too watery. The smell is mild and gentle, perfect for a sensitive area like underarms. How to use? To use this mask, take a small amount, apply it evenly on clean underarms, leave it for the recommended time and wash it off. Regular use helps with brightness and even tone. My first impression is really good. The jar looks premium, the structure is smooth and I like the gentle fragrance. Thanks for watching my CureSkin mask unboxing. Subscribe for the full review and before after result. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you.